Quality test for concrete before casting at site. Testing of fresh concrete in accordance to BS standard. One of the main properties of fresh concrete that matter is workability. Workability of concrete refers to ability to work with concrete. So, how do we measure the workability of concrete? Slump test. To calculate consistency of fresh concrete. Slump means the vertical settlement of the fresh after the mold has withdrawn. Procedure of slump test. As you can see in the diagram, the slump cone was kept on a tray and filled 1/3 of the cone with concrete each time. Between the layers, the compaction done by using an iron rod for 25 times with a gravity flow. Then slump cone was removed vertically and slowly, and the slump height was taken. Different type of slump that can be occur in a slump test. True slump. Slump value as per note, normally as per theoretical value, keeping more or less to the initial shape. It has low workability. Collapse slump. When mix is too wet, means high workability of concrete. So we have high water cement ratio in here, which is only advisable in some condition where high workability of concrete is required. Shear slump. When a portion of the concrete slides away, this can be seen. Normally when we got shear slump, the test has to be repeated with a fresh sample. Different slump value used in various projects due to its consistency. Low slump, the value between low slump is 0 to 50 mm. It's mostly used in road, pavement, and foundation with light reinforcement due to its low workability. Medium slump, 50 to 100 mm. Normally we are using medium slump at flat slab and typical RCC structure. And high slump, the slump between 100 to 175, is commonly used in congested reinforcement structure due to its high workability where concrete can easily penetrate. Value of slump depend on the mix design and the slide location. It can be changed by adding admixtures. What if the slump is more than 175 mm? Then we'll use flow test. The flow test is used for high workability of concrete. Where we have more slump, the test is carried out in accordance with BS standard. Equipment that required for the test: flow table, mold or slump cone, and a wooden tank. Pour the freshly mixed concrete in the mold, compressing 2 layers. Each layer should be tamped with a tamping rod, normally a wooden tamping rod, for 10 times. slowly lift the mold vertically up and let the concrete stand on its own without any support, and the floor table is raised at a height of 12.5 mm and be dropped. The same procedure is repeated for 15 times. This causes the concrete spread further in a roughly circular shape. Measure the spread concrete diameter and then the floor value of concrete taken by average of all this diameter. Appropriate floor value for concrete is about 400 to 650 mm. If the concrete does not appear uniform and cohesive at this stage, then we can say the mix is lack of cohesiveness. That means decrease concrete plasticity. Plasticity indicates that the mix can be molded and hold a shape when it's formed. So, segregation occurs when the mix lacks its plasticity. So, when we can see cement paste separating from the aggregate, the concrete has segregation, it's not good for construction. Percentage of flow can be determined using the following equation. According to the percentage, we can categorize the consistency as below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support us for more videos.